Yes, students, we are moving ahead. We are carry forwarding the new topic number 5, that is visualizing the nation. Visualizing the nation, it has a page number, you can see page number 23 on the right hand side of the screen below the Germania's picture. It is a page number 23. I hope you are clear with that. Page number 23, and the topic is visualizing the nature. Now if we talk about the visualizing the nation, how do we visualize our country, India? We visualize our country with the flag, with the allegory Bharat Mata, who is a female figure wearing a very simple sari, holding our tricolor in the hands, and the lion. So we visualize our country in a female figure in a mother state called Bharat Mata. In the same way, the first concept of visualizing the mother, or we can say not mother, we can say visualizing any country, geographical region, they must have something to be presented in front of the people. So we are starting with the visualizing the nation. While it's easy enough to represent a ruler through a portrait or a statue, how does one goes about giving a face to a nation? They thought, let's give a face to the nation. Allegory means imaginary figure. Artists in the 18th and 19th century found a way out by personifying a nation. Personifying means having giving a human identity. That is the personification in the figures of speech. In English we have already, I think you know already. In other words, they represent a country as if it were a person. Nation were then portrayed as a female figure, female form that was chosen to personify the nation and did not stand for any particular woman in real life. That woman doesn't exist in real life, but it is like it has a portrait, and it is like an imaginary figure. Rather, it's out to give an abstract idea. Abstract means not in real. Abstract idea of nation. And concrete form. Concrete means strong form. This female figure become allegory. Allegory, it is written in a bold words, so here the meaning is also given behind that. You can see the new words. There is allegory when an abstract idea is expressed to a person or a thing. An allegory story has a two meaning, a literate and one is symbolic. So this is the Germania for the nationalism in Germany. You can see in the screen. This is the Germania, as we have the Bharat Mata. So that concept of Bharat Mata came from the concept of Germania. So let's start and move ahead with consecutive things. So you can see over here, I'm starting from right now here. You will recall that during the French Revolution, artists used a female allegory to portray ideas such as liberty, justice, and republic that we already talked about. These ideals were represented to specific object or symbol. As you would remember, the attributes of liberty for the red cap, there is a figure of red cap in the earlier pages, you can go through from NCERT book, and a broken chain, while justice is generally a blindfolded woman carrying a pair of weighing scales. Similarly, female allegories were invented by artists in 19th century to represent the nation. In France, she was christened Marie, a popular Christian name that you know all about, Mother Mary, which underlined the idea of people's nation. Her characteristics were drawn from those of liberty and republic. The red cap tricolor and cockade statue of Marine were erected in public squares. Public squares mean where people to gather in their leisure time. To remind a public nation symbol unity of persuade them to identify with it. Marine image were marked on coin and stamps as well.